Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. It is Lindsay and I have a special unboxing for you today, and this is my very first sponsored video. So I want to give a shout out to Chongker for asking me to partner with them, sending me this free merchandise that I'm going to be opening for you, unboxing it and giving an honest review, and offering you guys up a discount code. This is going to be a wonderful gift, potentially for Mother's Day. So I'm very excited to share that with you. If you're new to my channel, I am a part-time reseller. I sell on Poshmark, The RealReal, and also here on YouTube. And as a YouTuber, I do have companies reach out to me fairly regularly asking to partner on specific products to share on my channel. And I've never really found a company that I had a lot of interest in doing that with. I want to make sure that it's a product that I believe in, that I would be wanting to share with you all. So when Chongker reached out and I saw what their company was, I was very excited. I was actually recently just talking about a similar product to this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it so you can see what the item is, and then we'll talk more about why I wanted to partner with them. So let's go ahead and get this box open. This did arrive very quickly. But I have had it sitting here for a bit, waiting to unbox. So I'm very excited to get this open. So there is another box inside of the box, so I will grab that out next. And everything is packaged very well. So this is the smaller box here. Their company logo, Chongker, and there's an animal there. So that is a tiny spoiler. It is animal related. All right, and here's a top look at the box. And it is in another box, and there is ribbon here that I think we can just pull this right out. And I cannot wait to open this. So this is Chongker. It is an emotional support cat, love and companion. So let's take a look at what they sent me. There are two colors available in this particular style. There was a black and a white, and I asked if they would send me the white because, as you know, if you've been with me for a while, I did have a cat named Stuart that passed away last year, and he was white. So it does have some tissue, and I will tell you this box is really heavyweight and really nice quality. It would be very nice to gift this packaging. And we have a beautiful little friend in there. So let's pull him out. And his given name is Percy. And he is so adorable. And I will say he does have a little bit of weight to him. He is not as heavy as Stuart was, because Stuart was a very large cat. But I believe the actual weight on him is around 3 pounds. So it is more substantial than just handling a normal stuffed animal. So I'm going to set him down for a second, and we'll pull out what else is in the box here. And I'm going to move this box aside. So like I mentioned, this is a companion cat, and it is more than just a stuffed animal. He is actually interactive, responding to voice commands, and he does make certain alerts when you touch him on different parts of his body. So he does come with an instruction manual, a little brush if you want to brush him, and a charging cord. So the charging cord that he comes with, it is a USB. It does not come with a outlet to plug it in. So you can either put the USB in your computer, or if you have like a spare iPhone jack, that's what I usually use for these type of chargers. You can just plug that in to one of those, and then the other area will connect directly on Percy. And then the little care cards, and most importantly, he does come with instructions. So the reason that I was really excited about this partnership and receiving one of these animals is not just because of Stuart. I am a huge animal lover, of course, but my grandmother had something similar to this when she was in her 90s, and she was in an assisted living space, and she had an emotional support cat that she would have with her at all times in her room, and she would take it everywhere throughout the facility and kind of show it off to the other residents. So this is a great, Mother's Day gift idea if you have somebody elderly in your life that would be looking for that sort of companionship. But it's not just, exclusively for the elderly. It can be for anybody, kids to someone in their 90s. So, the benefit of having an emotional support cat, is not having the responsibility of a real cat, and also the expense. And, after losing a pet, most of you probably know how difficult that is. And to think about going through that again is very sad. So with somebody like Percy, he will always be with you. So we'll go ahead. I'm going to show you the charger. So if you flip him over, he does have a section that on buttons, and there is a power button. There is volume, so you can adjust that up or down depending on your preference. And then the cord just plugs right in there. So super simple. And then you can just plug that into an outlet. And then it will change color when it's fully charged and ready to go. So he did come charged, I believe, so we can test out his functions. And to turn him on, you're just going to hold in the power button. And he let out a meow to let you know. So he does have different sensors on his body, one being the tail. So he will react when you touch the tail, and the sounds will vary. He has another sensor on his back, and if you hold and just press on the back, he will also let out a heartbeat that you can physically feel under your hand. And now he's purring. And I'm just going to prop him up here on the box so you can see him like he's in my lap. He does have other sensors on his head and neck. So I will say it seems like the sensors on the back and the tail are much more sensitive, but there are 4 sensors in total. And then on his paws, these are not sensors, but they are made of a silicone material on the little toe bean part. And they do kind of feel like a real cat's paw. And he's very soft. He is made of polyester, but really soft. And you can see he's kind of, like a long-haired cat breed. And in addition to the sensors, he does respond to voice commands. So if you say his name, which is Percy, he will also respond to meow meow, rise and shine, and pretty kitty. And if you don't like the name Percy, you can customize it and rename him another name. And that is all in the instructions how you would do that to change his name. So the charging duration takes about 2.5 hours. And it does show you on the instructions where the sensors are on the cat's body. And if you press and hold the power button again for 2 seconds, it will turn it off and it will make a yawning sound like he's going to sleep. And you can also adjust the volume in that section, like I said. If more than 5 minutes of no interaction with Percy or no use, Percy will automatically enter the sleep mode with a cat's meow. And you can touch or use will wake him up again. So if you're not going to use him for an extended period of time, it would be better to turn him off so you can preserve the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and do that so you can see how that sounds when you turn him off. You just press and hold the power button. And now he's asleep. And you can go ahead and, re-button that so it's a smooth surface on the bottom. So I love this. It's something that I think I will enjoy just having in the house for me. But I definitely see the benefit in having an emotional support cat such as Percy for a special elderly person in your life. So I do think that this would be a wonderful Mother's Day gift. And there will be a link in my description box. So if you are interested in making a purchase of Percy, you can use that link and there is a discount code to apply. And I will have the specifics of that here on the screen. And the great thing about this is the link is through Amazon. So you will be receiving free shipping if you're a Prime member, which is fantastic. So again, I want to thank Chongker so much for reaching out and for sponsoring my very first partnership video. So as I disclosed to you guys, I did receive this complimentary in exchange for the review, and I do get a small commission for any cats that are purchased. But I do love the product, and I think that it would be an amazing gift, and anybody in your life would be excited to receive him. And as you can see, the packaging was phenomenal. So really proud of this product. Thank you again to Chongker. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon on my next video.